Oh, wow. Look at that. Huh. Hi, everyone. I'm Mick. I'm on another lazy walk adventure with Rubes. Well, Rubes is just over here. We don't have Denver with us today because we're in a national park and you're not allowed to bring dogs into national parks. So we're at Mount Field National Park, which I think the area is called National Park, and this is a national park in National Park. I don't know how that works, but all the street signs say National Park. And now we're in Mount Field National Park because there's a sign. So we're just going to do a little wander up to the Russell Falls bit, and that's probably all we'll do. So me being the conversational genius that I am, we just got a parks pass off the lady in the shop, and she was like, enjoy your walk, and I was like, you too.
Oh, so awkward.
Knowing full well she can't go anywhere. It's good. It's good times. So we're just doing a little lazy walk to Russell Falls, and this is a lazy walk. This is probably the easiest bush walk ever. Yeah, it's paved. What kind of bush walk has got paving? It's more like a garden walk with him crook. Get some monument. Crime does pay. This guy really loved to burp.
Wow.
No drone zone.
Dry up here, especially given how wet it was on the mountain.
Yeah, not much rainforest. Some fungi.
So maybe turkey tail.
Dry fungi.
They look pretty dry. Let's look some more.
Dried mushrooms are a thing, aren't they?
Yeah, poachy.
Big fungi. It looks like the fucking Last of Us. It's kind of creepy.
If it's turkey tail, you can eat it.
Do you want to give it a go?
Oh.
No. This tree is a stick. That's a very big stick. Throw that for the dog. If you've got more than one, is it men fern? Or is it man's fern? So we're at Russell Falls. Named after Jane Russell, or maybe Peter Russell Clark, or like Russell Brand. Probably not Russell Brand, actually. It's fallen out of favour somewhat. Here we have everyone getting the obligatory photo. Have to do the same photo here. We'll probably do it too. They're pretty tall. You kind of don't get a sense of it, but on here, that's a long way up. There we go. Obligatory photo achieved. Russell falls. Russell gets back up again, and Russell keeps walking. So we don't have any paved, easy pathways here. It's all stairs, dirt, proper bushwalk. Oh. They put this bench here just for unfit fucks like us. Only walked up about 20 stairs. I'm ruined.
It's still far from here, I think.
Not far, there's a billion stairs. It's like all the stairs in all the world have come here for a holiday. I know, these lazy walks, they end up being a fucking trek. Anyway, it's good for me. So I have a heart attack and die. Fuck. I think I've got to do more not lazy walks. So it would be good to do these sort of walks and not be just fucking ruined. Oh, there we go. This is the top of Russell Falls. This is where, if you so wanted to, you could go over it in a barrel.
Jump off of like Pocahontas.
Yeah, you could do the mission thing or whatever. So one of the unforeseen things about being unfit and walking up a waterfall is I'm all like, and I think I just breathed in a mosquito. So if you wanted to, you could keep going for 50 minutes, get to Lady Barron Falls. Lady Barron is a bit of a harsh title though. I'm sure you can say that about ladies. Myrtle. This one tree is just called Myrtle. Hello.